What about you? This is Robbie from Premier Lawns Lawn Care Company based in Belfast, Northern Ireland. Today we're just outside Belfast, up in the hills surrounding Belfast and Holywood, and an absolutely amazing location. We're going to be doing some aerating, some scarifying, putting down the moss killer, weed and feed, so stick around. So we'll have Daniel down here doing the aerating, and I'm going to get the scarifier out, so stick around. So just some scarifying here, and before I scarify over them here, the owner's done the absolutely right thing with the dog. The dog patches. He's trained his dog to come and just do his bit in the one area. This is the holy grail of lawn care right here, folks. Just a nice lawn out of the way. Teach your dog how to go. Now, if you have areas like this on your own lawn, I have a really good video. I'm going to put a link in the screen up here, a card up on the screen up here. So check that video out on how to repair dog patches. So let's get back to scarifying. Okay, so we've done one pass over it, bit of new turf here, obviously scarified around it. You definitely don't want to be scarifying new grass whenever, because this grass will just be under stress and just starting to get going. Daniel did aerate it, it shouldn't do too much harm. But the new lawn, you definitely don't want to scarify a new lawn, because you're going to put it under a load of stress. So we'll just work around it. I'm going to do another pass here, we'll see how we go. Today was meant to be dry, but we're having a lot of showers here. It's very windy, and unfortunately I can't really get the drone up as much as I'd like. So this has been a really interesting one to scarify. Obviously on the hill, really tricky, really awkward. Just trying to stay away from this bank the best we can. Nearly finished the most awkward bit. I'm a great believer in getting the awkward bit out of the way first. But just every time I'm up here, I just look around and right guys, so I'm going to stop recording. Big dirty dark cloud there with a lot to do. I'm going to turn off the camera and get on with it. All right guys, so that's us coming to the end of this lawn renovation. If you've enjoyed this video, hit the like button, just go ahead and smash it for me, it really helps me out. Leave me a comment. If you have any questions, always leave me a comment. I do my best to try and get back to everybody's questions. Daniel here, he's just finishing off. So guys, don't forget, smash the like button, subscribe for more content like this. And listen, thank you for watching. Leave me a comment. See you in the next video. Goodbye.